Welcome, everybody. This is Lance from TatoTraders.com. This quick video, I want to go over a safeguard trade I did on oil where we had a one with put debit spread and I ended up rolling it to a zero point 0.5 with. What was interesting about this trade was the initial debit that I spent on the one with has now been rolled up to a zero point 0.5 with for the same exact cost of the debit. I'll show you exactly what we did. Your screen here. So on April 24th, did an oil safeguard trade. The delta on the NACO was 0.07, did a 111 trade here. So I bought a 73.72 the debit spread, 113 days out. The debit was 0.22. And then I sold one put at the 63 strike at 0.49. So the total net credit that I got was I took in 490, and then I subtract the 220 from the debit. And initial premium that you collect is $270. That's the profit if we close above 73, anywhere 73 or above, and these all expire worthless. I'll typically close out the naked put at a good percent, 75 or 90%, depending on the amount of days it takes to do that. Now, oil recently has been on a pretty big drop. Last 2 days been down almost 5% or so. So because of that, the put debit spread is getting closer to the 73 strike. We actually went in the money this morning on June 4th, and we got to 72 and change. So what I did was I essentially bought back the 72 put from this put debit spread, and then I sold a 72.5 put. The credit that I got for this roll was 0.22. This is the exact same credit that I received as the debit that I initially started the debit spread with. So because of this, the debit spread here offset each other. And then I currently have still have that 73 put that I bought for the put debit spread. Now I currently have a 72.5 sold put. So this is a 0.5, 73, 72.5 put debit spread that is now paid for because I got enough credit back to pay for the initial debit. I still have the 63 naked put as well. What's good about this trade is now the max profit could be $490 if we stay above the 73 price, because again, the debit spread has now been paid for, and then I could possibly collect the full premium here. I also could collect another $500 if we go below the 72.5 strike price. And because of that, difference of this is 0.5. CL is 100 multiplier, so it'll be a $500 gain as well. So the max profit right now on this trade is the 500 here, plus the 490, so about $990 total possible profit on this trade. If you found this trade very helpful, you can join at thetatraders.com. It's the Inner Circle membership trade. I have over 300 like-minded individuals, you get one-on-one help from me, and strong community of beginner, intermediate, and advanced option sellers. You guys have a good rest of the day. See you guys on the next one.